Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So OpenArt and ElevenLabs are a powerful combo. OpenArt equals visuals in video, ElevenLabs equals realistic AI voice. So by combining both, you can create talking videos, ads, UGC content, and full storytelling projects. In this guide, I will show you step by step how to connect OpenArt to ElevenLabs, the smart workflow. So first thing first, create your script. So start with your content, like write ad script, UGC script, story narration, keep it natural and conversational. Example, like stop wasting time on workouts that don't work. Okay, like this. So generate voice in ElevenLabs. Okay, so open ElevenLabs, paste your script, choose a voice, adjust stability, clarity, style, generate audio, so download as MP3 or WAV. Choose a realistic human-like voice after that. So create visuals in OpenArt now. So open OpenArt, generate images or video clips, match visuals to your script, like for example a person talking to camera, natural lighting, vlog style, or cinematic product showcase, clean lighting. So visuals should flow or follow your audio. Okay, so create talking avatar. So this is optional. If you want speaking characters, use tools like DID or Hygiene, like upload image from OpenArt, upload ElevenLabs audio, and generate lip synced video. So this creates realistic talking heads. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this video and see you in the next tutorial.